ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా,
It was again one of those years, of course, as Brother Natesh was telling, Swami is only known to give, give and give. So it was one of those years when Swami was distributing a few toiletries to all the boys in Purnachandra. And in fact, Swami distributes all sorts of things. That day, Swami was giving all the boys some toiletries, some shampoo, some aftershave, some shaving kits, and all sorts of things. And so as all the boys were seated in line, they were all assorted kind of things. So someone was getting toothpaste, someone was getting a very posh perfume. So, the moment something like this happens, what do we do? Hey, what did you get? Then, the person who has got probably a very nice perfume will say, I got a perfume. And somebody will say, I got only toothpaste, yeah. And so this was happening, and all the boys were, kind of finding out, they were matching and mixing what the other person has got. And obviously, Bhagwan was just going through all the lines which were seated over there. And Swami finished, and obviously everybody was oblivious to what was happening, that Bhagwan was actually walking through the lines. Swami finished darshan, and he walked up to the stage in Purnachandra, and he simply stood there while everybody was comparing with each other what they had got. And Swami kept seeing, and then suddenly all the boys realized that Bhagwan was standing on the stage over there. And so there was a hush, and everybody started looking at Bhagwan. And then Swami said, Andariki vachinda? Has everybody got? Yes, Swami, everybody shouted. And then Swami said, now tell me, who wants me? All of you have got gifts. Now tell me, who wants me? In our lives, this is the kind of predicament that each one of us face. All the time we are comparing with the other what we have got versus what somebody else has got. Somebody is comparing jobs. Somebody is comparing status. Somebody is comparing families. Somebody is comparing incomes. To the extent that we even compare our spiritual progress. Oh, he is more spiritually progressed than I am. Little realizing that each and everything that has been given to us is in fact Bhagwan's gift to us. And that is exactly what we require at that moment is what Bhagwan is giving to us. Little realizing that we spend our entire lives in comparing what each one has got. And all the time Bhagwan is standing over here on the stage and simply looking at us, waiting for that moment when we will look back at Bhagwan and Swami will tell, now who wants me? He is waiting for each one of us to invite him into our hearts. When are we going to do that? That is the lesson that Bhagwan has taught each one of us. That is the kind of samskaras that the Lord puts into us.
Truth is my